Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. I'm ALECIA. Today I wanted to build a DIY that I got from Hy-Vee. I couldn't remember it for a minute. It is a DIY gingerbread house, but it's actually Halloween edition. So I am super excited to put this together with you guys. I think it'll be a lot of fun, and I'm just ready to get right into it. So don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and let's go ahead and get right into the DIYing. Okay, so to start us off, let's go ahead and unbox it and see what's inside. All right, so we've got some nice little trees and such. Let's go ahead and let's pierce the plastic with a bobby pin because I didn't grab any scissors before I came over here. So, yup, we've got some really cool items. Okay. I didn't see it until I brought this over, but you're actually supposed to have, they said you'll need, outside of the kit, you need cornstarch and confectioner sugar, but I didn't buy any of that because I didn't realize that, I figured if it's a DIY gingerbread kit, it has everything, so we're gonna hope that I don't actually need that stuff because I did not buy it. Let's find, oh goodness, is this gonna be something that, did I just paper cut my nose? Okay, it looks like I am okay. I'm not hurt. I'm fine, I think. Instructions for cookie house kit with trees. Important. Completely read through instructions before you begin. Fine. Oh, you're supposed to set it up and then decorate it 3 to 4 hours later? I don't like that. I'm not gonna do that. So check all the panels. It all looks good. Okay. I'm very thorough in my checking. I'm not gonna trim. Oh my gosh, this is way too are you kidding me? All right, so to prepare the base is made from cardboard. Well, what's the base? Wait, is the cardboard that these are on the base? I'm very confused. I really just want to eat this gingerbread stuff. I'm so confused because it says that there's inserts, but on this thing it kind of looks like it's just one piece of cardboard, maybe? I don't know. Okay, well, I'm gonna just use it like this, I guess. No, you know what? I'm gonna use one piece of cardboard. This might come out really awful, but we will just, you're along for the ride, okay? So, place the insert on a flat surface. There's no insert. What insert are they talking about? Like this? This is the coffin that's up front. But this doesn't even have I'm so confused, but this looks like it's part of the roof. I don't know. I'm so confused. What? This is awful. Are you seriously kidding me? I'm about to just eat all of this gingerbread stuff. I haven't had lunch and it smells really, really good. Okay, so assemble bag and decorating tip. I'm not gonna do that. I'm so bad at this. Okay, so I'm not gonna prepare the decorating bag. I'm just gonna rip it and use the frosting, I think. So, yeah. Join one side panel. Okay, easy enough, I think. No, it's supposed to go like that. That doesn't look right. Delicious. Go ahead and pour some frosting out. Watch this be the worst. Ew. Oh, is it chalk? Is it black? Oh my gosh, you guys, it's black frosting. Oh goodness, I probably shouldn't have ate that. Now my whole mouth is gonna be black. This is gonna be the dumbest house. So far, okay, I do not recommend this DIY house because I feel a lot of it you have to actually feel like a lot of it you actually have to, I don't know, a lot of it's just not already like ready for you to do, and that's weird. Like, I thought it was gonna be, you know, you put it here and then you're done. That's what I thought was going to happen. This is not staying up. What in the world? This is the worst. Okay, I did a Christmas one and it was way easier than this. And it doesn't even, like it can't even stay upright. Like, I don't understand. This is way too complicated. Like, this is for like level 10 DIYers. This is not working for me. Okay, we are gonna try our best. Oh dear goodness. Okay. I can do this. I am just having a rough, I'm having a time. I'm having a time over here. Wait. Huh? I think this one is supposed to go here. Question mark? Okay. Okay, I think you're supposed to have something to like hold this up while you're doing it, but I do not have whatever that is supposed to be, so. Okay, I mean, oh gosh, okay. This is gonna be a DIY fail, I can already tell. What in the actual heck? Just stay. This is ridiculous. This is not like beginner's level. This is intermediate or expert at best. Maybe I just don't have the patience for this. This is ridiculous. I do not understand how this is supposed to work. This is like just black goop. I just want to decorate this freaking house. Can it just stay up? So far, my review is that this sucks. But I think it's just me. Can I at least have a gumdrop? Why won't this stay up? Like, I can't even get it to where it would just stay up for, like, me to set it. So I'm really confused. Like, well, I say that this is not a house for beginners. I don't recommend getting this unless you have patience, time, and a DIY skill level above kids crafts. Everything tastes really good though. But like, this is way too much. I don't know. This just isn't what I was planning. Like, I didn't know it was gonna take this much like patience, and I just don't have that. I'm not a patient person. There's no way that I would finish this house. Like, this would take hours. If I cared enough, I could, but I just don't. I think this was a waste of time. I don't even know what this footage is gonna look like because this was me failing at a DIY. I'm not even gonna attempt any of this. Like, apparently you needed like a bunch of time to get this done. So I'm gonna call it quits. I'm gonna give this a 0 out of 10 because I don't have any patience. And don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Tasty. Like my black soul. Oh.